Hello, I am Rekha from Swarnaratna Institute. I have my own institute where I teach handwriting skills. The students or teachers can change the kids' handwriting in less than 7 hours. Also, I used to teach English in such a way that the students will be able to complete their textbook in less than 2 hours. I used to go from school to school, teach and train students as well as teachers. But always marketing was not my piece of cake. I used to struggle a lot. I used to get the orders once in a while. Especially when the pandemic hit India, I had a very tough time because I was not knowing how to go online. Almost I was in a position to close my business. Then I wanted to go online. I searched help from different digital marketing companies. I was not convinced. I never felt that I could do this. Then once I saw an ad in YouTube, I thought, why don't I try or call them and speak to them? I saw about AADME. I called the people, I booked the call, and when I spoke, I felt so nice. I felt maybe I can do this. And then I joined AADME. I started learning digital marketing. I got a very good support from Alok sir as well as the team. Since I was almost illiterate about computers, especially in creating the content in computer, I had a tough time. But the support the team gave me whenever I was in a problem, they used to come on Zoom call and help me out. On Sundays, I used to get the help 1:1 with the sir directly. I started developing slowly. Within 2 months, I could start 2 batches online. Not only that, I was scared to talk in front of camera because I was used to talk to people directly but never face the camera without anybody in front of me. How to talk? It was difficult. Online classes, at least it was okay because somebody was there in front of me in the screen. But making videos, it was very tough. Then we had a video challenge class which was for 21 days. That practice changed my life. Now I talk to people in front of the camera. I face it very well. This is the best proof I'm talking to you, as well as I started my own YouTube channel. So what I thought was impossible has become possible to me, and my life started changing. So I really thank and appreciate the help given by AADME team as well as the teachings given by Alok sir. Really, I would like to thank him from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, sir. Thank you, the team. So if you are thinking about a digital marketing course, speak to sir once. You feel the difference. Bye. See you.